How to fix stream failed to start error on Discord. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, click on the search bar at the bottom left and type in command prompt. You will find command prompt. Right click on command prompt and click on run as administrator. After you've clicked on run as administrator, here simply type in the code as shown on screen. After you've done that, it will reset everything. After you do that, what you can do is simply restart your device. After you restart your device, try logging into Discord and try streaming, and your problem will be fixed. This is how to fix stream failed to start error on Discord. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.